Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add deposits and partial payments for WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to add in here a plugin. So search in here for deposits and partial, and then you should be able to see this deposits and partial payments for WooCommerce by Buy Now. So head over and then click on this and install this. Once you have installed this particular plugin, head over and then activate it as well. Click on this activate button and then it will be activated. Now, once it's been installed, you can see this go likes right here. So just head over and click on that in order to see the settings for the deposit. You can see in here the general settings, and you can deposits for all product. You can actually turn this on. And you can see in here the deposit mode, which can be order only deposit or allow deposit for regular items together into an order. For me, I'll just choose the first one. And then you can also force deposit, hide checkbox right here, deposit value as well, and exclude products for this one. And the default selection will be pay deposit or full payment. So in here, you can also see these deposit for variable products, which in all variations are overridden. And this is the deposit paid status, which is completed right here. And you can also see the payment methods right here on this particular selection. From in there, click on the save option. Once you have done that, it should be saved. Now let's head over here to our advanced settings. And you should take note that these things right here are only available in the Pro version. So if you're interested with the due deposit payment, cancel order, remainder handling, tax collection, and fixed collection, you need to head over and then subscribe to their Pro plan from there. You can also change your text and labels. So it depends on you how you want to change it. And you can also see in here the radius style, which is be the active color, as well as the backup for this one if you want to as well. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.